Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we'll guide you through the quick and easy setup process for the Tenda N300 Wireless Router. Whether you're a beginner or tech-savvy, this tutorial will help you get your router up and running in no time. Let's get started. Let's start by unboxing the Tenda N300 Wireless Router. Inside the box, you'll find the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. Next, connect the router to your modem using the Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the cable into the WAN port on the router and the other into the modem. Then, connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a power outlet. Power on the router and observe the LED indicators. Wait for the power light to become steady, indicating it's fully powered on, and for the WAN light to begin blinking, signaling network activity. Next, connect your device to the Tenda N300 Wi-Fi network. Locate the default network name and password on the label underneath the router, and use these credentials to establish your connection. Open a web browser on your connected device and enter 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. This will take you to the router's web interface. Log in using the default credentials, which are usually admin for both the username and password. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to set up your Wi-Fi network. Customize your SSID and create a strong password. You can also adjust other settings, such as security type and bandwidth management. Finally, reconnect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the updated SSID and password. You should now have a stable and secure wireless connection. If you have any questions or run into any issues, our professional experts are ready to assist. Don't hesitate to reach out at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. Feel free to comment below with any queries. And that's it. Your Tenda N300 wireless router is now set up and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.